The magnitude of Earth's magnetic field at a place is B naught and the angle of dip is delta. A horizontal conductor of length L lying along the magnetic field north-south moves eastwards with a velocity v. The EMF induced across the conductor is. Now first of all understand what is angle of dip. So suppose we have Earth like this, and suppose at any point, let's say I am taking, this is the center of Earth, and at any point, let's say at this point, let's say magnetic field is B, okay, as given in the question which is B naught. So what is angle of dip? So angle of dip is the angle between net magnetic field of Earth and its horizontal component. Perfect. That means suppose if I take one component along the Earth, so this component along the surface, and this is the perpendicular to the surface, perpendicular to the Earth's surface, right? So suppose that this component, so angle of dip is the angle between the total magnetic field and Earth. So this will be the delta. So simply suppose if this is the value of B naught, this is delta, then I can say this is B naught cos delta and this will be B naught sin delta, right? So B naught sin delta. So I can say B perpendicular and B parallel, right? B perpendicular and B parallel. So now coming back to the question, once we understood what is the angle of dip, so now I can say the given question says that there is a conductor which lies along y-axis, okay, and it moves along x-axis such that, okay, with velocity v, right? Now we know that along, this is in the horizontal plane, that means along the surface of the Earth, that means there will be magnetic field and the component will be B naught cos delta, and perpendicular to the Earth's surface, that means there will be another magnetic field in cross direction which will have the value B naught sin delta. Perfect. So if you know that, then you can find out the value of EMF. So EMF, E will be is equal to E due to parallel component plus E due to perpendicular component. Coming back to this, so E due to parallel component, this E value is VBL. So V into B parallel into L into sine. What is the value of sine? So for parallel, so we can see clearly this is the angle 0, sine 0 plus V perpendicular L sine into 90 degree, right? Because this is cross, so into the plane and it is moving like this, so angle is 90 degree. Perfect. If you put the values, net EMF will be this term will be 0 because sine 0 is 0 plus V perpendicular is B sin delta into L into 1. So final answer will be E is equal to B naught. So this will be B naught into V into L into sin delta should be the final value. So which option is correct? Option number 2 is the right choice. Okay.